What's going on, everybody? Good morning. It's 9:53. I am done for the day. Just going to go over my processes real quick. What I was looking at, what I took. Let's change the date. I keep forgetting to do that. Today is the 12th. Boom. Market rallied on CPI, yet move was muted and is trading within range. Market tested previous short-term demand and rejected. Will be interesting to see if we see continuation of buyers or this thing just breaks below range and continues to sell. Market could go from it was up a percent. I said market could go up from percent. It could be flat today. Buy targets 56.75. Anything above is extremely bullish. Sell target 55.77. That's more of a long-term target. Market opens, nothing at the moment, volume compressing here. Yes, just noting compressed volume. Usually signals a larger move that could be coming. In short at 936. Didn't think market looked too strong up here, targeting 56.10. We're at the top of this volume profile, top of this range, and I'm just watching price kind of condense up here. And I wasn't convinced with buyers' strength in the market. Thought they looked quite weak, to be fair. And took the market short at 41.75. Stop at the highs. And this was quite a frustrating trade. This was my target, 41, looking for 10. Kind of trying to get in or get out before it starts to look to test this lower volume profile. And man, so this thing went in my favor. 41.75. It's down to 28. So 14 points, 15 points, kind of in that area. Bounces. I'm remaining patient. I'm remaining diligent. Goes back down. More selling pressure. I just put my stop up here at 40. If this thing wants to bounce and it bounces instantly, gets one more bounce. This is all within 1 minute. So 939 sells below, sells, 10 points below, buys 10 points above, sells back another 8, buys back another 8, and then dumps. Like, it's just, it was so tough. So tough. I've been trying to practice, right? If I'm going to take a trade and I'm going to be up 10 points, 12 points, 8 points, 15 points, and it's going to go against me, I think it's in best practice to, get out of that trade for break even and look to re-enter to get another entry or to get more clarity on the trade. So, you could say, well, your trade wasn't at break even. It probably wasn't. 41 is right there. So, I got stopped out essentially by 2 ticks, and then this thing went down to 56.10. That being said, I did enter a second short, and I felt confident with the short. I felt good with the trade. We came back into that 24, and if you're not familiar, 24 is essentially this level on range. So when I draw out these large 1 minute candles on large news, I like to draw the range. So I enter that short. I'm like, this thing looks like it's going to break below the range and look to advertise lower prices. We start to break below, and then we get that first quick reclaim up into that level. And I'm in that market short at 24, and shorter target, I'm looking for 0825, kind of just right before we get into this low volume area. And it's a good thing I got out there because you can see this thing. You can see this thing I actually got out at 0775. I wonder what happened on the micros. Let's see. No, 0825. Well, that's about 16 points. A little under 16 points. So it was a good trade, but man, I was in this. Where is it? Like, this was such a good move right here. This is just, I'm kicking myself over this. I mean, it went up to, if I kept my stop truly at break even, I would have done 40.75. And I think I just get stopped out. I like doing 40.75 because it pays for the commission. I give myself half a point to pay for the commission. So it actually would have truly been a break even trade. I mean, that's so tough. I'm trying to be patient on some of these setups. Like I said, this thing was in my direction around 15 points and then bounced within a minute, 2 minutes. I mean, it's tough. It's very tough. But I took a good trade and capitalized. This was a 30-point move down to 10, which would have been great to capitalize on. But we move. We're profitable. We're accurate, right? We're seeing the market clearly. At this point, I am done for the day. Trying to think if there's anything else. I mean, this is a good trade. I mean, this is looking at these areas consolidation. I'm getting really good at just kind of spotting these areas, spotting those areas where moves look to be made off of. Like I said, I'm using this area of condensed volume as well. Volume is condensing here. This is a level that buyers and sellers are fighting over, and market's going to move one way or another, right? And just adding the overall confluences. I do want to add. I'm gonna add that. I just want to, because these range plays on big news they work out so well, so well. You can even see once this loads. I mean, when you get something like that, this trade I'm looking at right here, this large volume candle, larger than opening bell, there's going to be a move made off of here. And the fact that it comes into range, rejects, big hammer candle. I mean, if you get it anywhere in this area, I mean, you're already up 20 points within a matter of a couple minutes. So, yeah, good day. I appreciate y'all stopping in. God bless you. And we'll talk soon.